Back in college, I had a friend named Glenn who tried converting an old soda vending machine into a camper. His logic? It already has a door. Needless to say, that didn't go far. Unlike today's rig, which started life in 1948 as a Spartan Manor trailer and now rolls like an aluminum-clad dream. Let me tell you, this thing is more polished than Glenn's reasoning, and that's saying something. Now, this 1948 Spartan Manor is no rusty backyard relic. After being rescued in 2012, it got a full glow-up that included shortening the body to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, repainting it in silver with a maroon vinyl stripe, and packing it with modern tech while keeping the vintage charm. It was sold on January 2nd, 2024 for $43,449, about 39,700 euros. And honestly, I think someone got a good deal, especially if they've ever had to sleep on Glenn's vending machine mattress. Under the skin, it's riding a new single axle with Maxmiler GT tires and drum brakes. There's a power-operated tongue jack, dual propane tanks, fresh and wastewater tanks, and full 30-amp shore connections. I believe this rig is more self-contained than most city apartments. The interior? It's like stepping into a Mad Men episode if Don Draper went glamping. We've got woodgrain paneling, marmoleum flooring, red vinyl dinette seating, and a rear bedroom with a memory foam mattress. The kitchenette has a Dixie 4-burner range, a stainless steel sink, a Gallon's fridge, and enough storage to hide every snack Glenn ever hoarded on a road trip. The wet bath was added during the restoration and features a modern toilet and shower with a tethered sprayer. I like the most that despite its compact size, everything inside feels comfortable, not crammed. A Coleman Mac air conditioner with integrated heater, demand water heater, Bose speakers, ceiling fan, and even a flat-screen TV round out the luxury touches. This thing isn't just a travel trailer, it's a vintage spaceship with plumbing. With its aviation roots from the Spartan Aircraft Company and enough style to make your neighbor's RV weep quietly into its vinyl decals, it's the kind of camper that turns every highway exit into a photo op.